Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. We often don't think of palms as being a good plant for a pollinator garden. Of course, one doesn't need a separate garden devoted to pollinators. The entirety of a garden could be a pollinator garden where plants that feed pollinators are dispersed throughout. But this is one of our native sabal palms, the palms native to the southeast U.S. and through Central America and down into South America. But this is Sabal DeFuniak. DeFuniak is the cultivar. The original plant still exists in DeFuniak Springs, Florida, and it looks a lot like a sabal palmetto, but the fronds are much shorter. Look at the original photo of the plant on our website. But I've scared away a lot of the pollinators, but when they're in bloom, and this frond down here, the flowers are just starting to open up, but this one, they're mostly open up, and there were big bumblebees and a really wasp-wasted wasp a little bit earlier, and honeybees and other bees as well. But yet another plant you could plant for pollinator support. And then the birds enjoy the fruit too, though we tend to collect the seeds of all of our sabal palms before they're shed because, well, we need them for the nursery. We sell what we have in excess, and we also want to cut down on the number of seedlings in the garden. But the inflorescences, the big sprays of tiny flowers, are very beautiful. They're beautiful in fruit too. The fruit are black in the fall, and they also have a pleasant fragrance. But Sabal DeFuniak is hardy through at least zone 7B, and eventually we'll have a clear stem like an older palmetto palm with just the crown of fronds up on top. These are being grown out in absolutely full sun, and if you look at their parent plant, it's out in full sun with no tree canopy overhead, and they thrive in full sun, but they're also quite shade tolerant. Not sure if this will tolerate a wet site, but Sabal minor, which might be one of its parents, will grow as a floodplain plant where it tolerates having the soil inundated, but also puts up with extended dry spells. So very adaptable plant. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.